I really wanted to do this trade. Now, it's not a trade on Tesla that I normally do. I normally just trade spreads on Tesla, but I've just done a, well, cash secured put on margin, and I just want to walk you through what I've done. I just wanted to play the volatility of Tesla. It's absolutely insane. I just felt like I just needed to do this trade. Now, I don't recommend this trade for anyone, but I thought I'd record it and walk you guys through my logic behind this particular trade. Now, what we got here, we have got Tesla chart on a weekly time frame on TradingView, and I've got the OGT intrinsic value calculator. Now, you can see that the intrinsic value of Tesla, in my opinion, based on the inputs, and if you want this indicator, it's absolutely free, link down below, all that good stuff. Um, is on the high end, it's 313, on the low end, it's around 115. So I wanted to understand if I sold a put, like what are puts around the 300 level or the 200 level? And I had a look, and considering that I'm on margin, my return is not that bad. So I had a little look at this, and I wanted to first confirm the intrinsic value of Tesla. So the earnings valuation model, which is what the OGT intrinsic value calculator does, on the high end does it around $300. And when you go so low down into Tesla options, they only work in $50 increments. So, for me, the $300 was about right, right? So then I went on to Guru Focus using their discounted cash flow calculator or discounted cash flow model. Again, we don't have a lot of data to go on. They've got a 1 year of 183%. I've gone at 25%. That could be good, that could be bad. But when I weigh into how far we are away from the current price, you know, it's thereabouts. So the fair value according to this is 333. So I've got a 313 and a 333 on both valuation models. So what I did is I sold a Tesla put 29 days out at the $300 strike. So check this one out. So when you get up in IBKR, you can see the performance details, the risk, the gamma, the theta, all that kind of good stuff. But the bit I was interested in is how much margin do I need to place this trade, and what was the price of a $300 put going for? So as you would imagine, the volume was not that high, and the bid ask was a bit all over the place, a bit more of a wider spread because we're looking at the $300 strike. So the margin that I needed to put up for this trade was $817, right? And so I thought, 125 divided by 817, is around 14-15% return. So in 29 days for a 14-15% return, in my view, for a low risk, Tesla has to drop 56% in 29 days for me to be assigned this put option. And again, there's ability to roll the option and various other things if things happen. But at the end of the day, I'm at, based on my inputs, I'm at around the intrinsic value of Tesla around the 300 to 330 mark. So I did it. I sold the put. I got filled at 100 at $104. I could have asked for a bit more, but I couldn't be bothered to wait to screenshot the actual fill. So I just, what's a few dollars here and there. So I sold the 29th of July $300 put. So that's 29 days away. We are the 30th of June of recording. So put in I got $104 credit. I put up $117. That's 13%. And as I mentioned, Tesla needs to drop 56% for me to get assigned. Now, I don't even know what the year to date even is for Tesla. Or, let's just Google it. It's probably just easier. Tesla stock price year to date. Year to date, in 6 months, it's down 43%. So it has to go another 50 odd percent from there for me to kind of get assigned. And Is that going to happen? It can happen, right? I've got $100 here. If things start, it's not going to go all the way straight down. It's going to phase itself down, and time decay will work in my favor. If I need to close it out, even if I make $30 on it, it's still a good like 20-30% return on that. So I just wanted to go through this trade. Again, I don't advise doing it. You guys will know whether I now own 100 shares of Tesla. Make sure you subscribe and follow to find out the outcome of this. But yeah, if Tesla drops by 56%, then, it's a bigger recession than we probably think it's going to be. So hope you guys enjoyed this. It's all lighthearted. There's some videos on the screen now if you want to learn about this process, and I shall see you guys in the next video.